Alright, let's give this a shot. I raised the dB on the game, upped the gain on the microphone. So maybe... Oh, I also raised the volume just straight up on the game too, via the Windows... the Windows volume adjuster, so there's that too. Kaboom. That. Made sure to go somewhere with a lot of combat right off the bat so you could hear me and get a tidbit of what it would sound like for audio while the big bits of combat are going on. So, I mean, tried to put a lot of different sound in with my voice. Oh, that's unfortunate. What the hell was that? Alright, that should be enough audio.